If you've played Playerunknown's Battlegrounds, you would have most likely heard the great sound effects that it has to offer in the game. So today, as my first top 5 list, I will go through my top 5 favourite sound effects from the game. Also keep in mind that this is my personal opinion, so none of the facts here are debatable, they are all true. So at number 5 we have the sound effect when you reload the revolver. A great sound it is. At number 4 we have the reloading sound for the S something shotgun. It's a nice sound also. I do enjoy hearing it in my games. At number 3 we have the S868 shotgun reloading sound. It is also a great sound that is slightly better than the other shotgun sound. At number 2 we have the sound effect that plays when you change your firing mode on the SMGs, the Vector and the UMP. It's a great sound. And so the number 1 best sound effect in all of Playerunknown's Battlegrounds is the sound effect when you change your shoes. It's my favourite sound. And there we have it, the indisputable list of the best sound effects in PUBG. Thanks for watching, and until next time, farewell.